Hello guys, my name is Adam Gomez from Powerwash.com. Let me be the first to present this new toy that we have. It's called the Maverick Stampede. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you can get future videos and updates. If you're interested on the new Maverick Stampede, just click on the link in the description after the video. So this does come with the basic Maverick soft wash machine, but the only thing is different, it did come with the slim 3-valve proportioning system. That helps you get the right amount of bleach, surfactant, and water mixture so you get started on your job. These are GF metering valves. They will last longer, and these valves are very precise. You can dial in the mixture that you want at the exact amount. It does come with a 7-gallon per minute pump. It is mounted on a 48 by 40 aluminum pallet. It does come with 2 55-gallon tanks, one 55-gallon tank for your bleach, and another 55-gallon tank for your water. And if we come around, it's strapped with these nice stainless bands. It does come with the 6-gallon tank for your surfactant. It does come with your soft wash wand, your assassin nozzle with the J-rod with an extra 3 nozzles, 2 for rinsing, 2 for soap. It does come with 200 foot of soft wash hose with the stainless hose reel. This is very lightweight, okay? If you walk around, it's all aluminum base. It takes about maybe 2, but for sure 3 people to load up. We'll show you how quick and how easy it is to load up on your truck. Just a reminder, this is empty, not full of water or surfactant or bleach. This is all empty, and we're gonna show you how quick and easy it is to load up on the truck. Let's go, guys. Not even 5 seconds, it's already loaded on the truck. You're all set and ready to go. Now all I gotta do is fill up the tanks and we'll do a demo for you right away. All right guys, now we got it all set up, all 3 tanks filled up with water. We're gonna do a demo. We got the dials already preset from bleach, water, and surfactant. And they're all preset on the dials so you can get the right amount of chemicals and the surfactant and water together so you can have easy soft wash on the building. Also keep in mind, these are preset from what we're using. It all varies on different households. So it could go 2 dials, 3 dials, it depends how much bleach you want to use and how much surfactant you want to use. So just keep that in mind. That's just only a demo. So it depends what you want to use it for. We got your soft wash wand with the assassin nozzle with the J-rod. We do have your banjo fittings that you can always buy here. Easy, quick connect and disconnect. So we're gonna demo the gun with the soft wash. You got a good 20-some feet of water going down the wall. So this could be your bleach and your surfactant mixed together with water so you can start washing your building off. And it got a good power enough with the battery. And the battery normally lasts about 2 or 2.5 hours. You gotta remember, you gotta recharge your battery every other time to use it again or have an extra battery on the side there for you. If you want more information about this product, click the link below and don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell icon for more information and more reviews on future products. Thank you again. Thanks for choosing Powerwash.com. Have a great day.